Okay, then I'm just making wet. Then I'm just taking ultraviolet blue. Okay. The water spreading. Now I'm just washing this brush clean. So now, yes. Yeah, Nabe? Did you miss it? And I'm just giving like this. Then I'm just taking a lemon yellow. Actually, we need to add sap green also. Then yellow ochre. So we need to take it in different place. Okay, no need to take in the same place. I'm keeping in a different places. Now I'm going to apply the water slowly. No need to touch this blue. Okay, if you touch this, it automatically comes here. So give little space. Just point space we need to give there. One line. Okay, if you touch, the color will spread here also. So because if you spread, then entire bird will be mixed up. So I'm just giving some space and spreading the water here. So now I'm just starting with lemon yellow. Making more liquid form. And I'm just applying it. You see here? That's all. Yeah, just a small touch. Here, just a small touch. Here, just small touch. Here, just small. Again, here. So automatically it's spreading, right? Okay. That's all. Then I'm just taking yellow ochre. So it's little bit feel like a small touch. Okay, and here. And here. 2-3 places I'm just touching. Anyway, it will spread. Okay. I'm just taking the lemon yellow with the blue. Already we have taken the blue here, ultraviolet blue. Along with that, the lemon. So then I am just going to apply here. I'm just making a touch. That's all. Spreading. Here, the touch. Here. Okay. Just touch. That's all. And just touches like this. And here. like this. So you need to touch very, very light format, okay? Going there and from here. So they're given just like a black, we can make it little dark, that's it. Okay. Branch, okay. So I'm just scraping thick. No need to touch the leg of this, okay. Just I've just applied the color like here and on the top. Okay, I'm just giving white space also there. That's all. You see here, I'm just giving a white space for the leg part and the stem branches itself. I'll use all white. White need to be there. Okay. Then you need to take the burnt sienna. It's a brown. Okay, little bit, just a dot. Edge part. No need to touch fully. Just here. I'm just drawing the finger one part like this. Okay, only 3 lines I'm drawing. That's all. Here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Like little bit curve. Okay. And gives little bit here also little and touch line like this, stroke and line. Just washing it also. The bottom burner, I'm just giving a small wash. That's all.